It's late, and you finally lie down. Then your hand reaches for the phone on your nightstand. The overhead light spills in, your bedside bulb looks icy, and that screen glow feels like a tiny alarm. Your chest tightens a little, and your mind starts scanning the room for one more thing. If this is you, it isn't a willpower problem. Your bedside zone is training your nervous system. Notice the tall stacks, glossy surfaces, and bright dots of notifications near your pillow. They break the room's horizon line, so your eyes keep searching, even when you're exhausted. That searching can keep stress chemistry hovering, and it nudges dopamine into check again mode. Tonight, we'll make this spot a soft landing instead. Most of us think the nightstand is just storage, and the phone is just a quick scroll, but your brain reads that corner like weather. Cool light, sharp glare, and notification dots can feel like tiny threats, even when nothing is wrong. Research in the US shows evening light from e-readers versus printed books suppresses melatonin and delays your internal night. Another peer-reviewed review concludes that light at night, especially blue light from screens, disrupts circadian rhythms and sleep. So tonight isn't about discipline. It's about redesigning a microzone that tells your body, you're safe now. Here's the pivot. We're not chasing perfect sleep. We're lowering the room's vigilance volume. We'll trade overhead spill for a low, warm, shaded lamp, and add an even warmer ember glow behind the headboard. We'll bring tall stacks down to a calm horizon line, so your eyes stop scanning for problems. We'll swap glossy reflections for matte textures, so light doesn't ping your attention. And we'll give the phone a closed drawer or warm pouch, so dopamine cues don't keep calling your name. When your chest feels tight at bedtime, your body is reading signals, not failing a test. Overhead spill and cool LEDs push bright light into your eyes, so your brain stays in watch mode. Then your phone adds short wavelength glow, and your attention snaps to it like a reflex. In a randomized trial, evening e-reader light suppressed melatonin and delayed circadian phase compared with printed books. That same study found lower next morning alertness, which is your body paying interest on a late-night light loan. Now look at the nightstand itself. Tall stacks, bottles, chargers, and shiny surfaces. When objects break the room's horizon line, your eyes keep scanning, like they're searching for what might move. That scanning nudges sympathetic arousal, which can keep evening cortisol from settling. Glossy glass and mirrors bounce tiny highlights, and each highlight is a micro cue for vigilance. Add notifications, and dopamine learns a simple rule: check equals relief, even when you're exhausted. The fix isn't extreme. It's a safer pattern your nervous system can memorize. A review in Scientific Reports concludes that light at night, especially blue light from screens, disrupts circadian rhythms and sleep, so we lower intensity and warm the color. A shaded 1800 to 2200 K lamp, plus an even warmer ember glow behind the headboard. We keep object heights low, swap glossy for matte, and put the phone in a closed drawer or warm pouch. In 1 minute tonight, turn off overheads and rotate the lamp toward the wall, so your eyes rest on a soft color field. The common idea is, it's just a nightstand, and I'm just checking my phone. But your nervous system reads it as a control panel. Light, clutter height, reflections, and cues. Misconception. Cool, bright bedside LEDs and overhead spill feel clean, so you keep them on. Reality. Short wavelength screen light at night can suppress melatonin and delay your internal night. A randomized trial found e-readers at night did this versus printed books and reduced next morning alertness. So the alternative is not perfection, it's warmth and predictability. A low shaded lamp around 1800 to 2200 K, plus an ember glow behind the headboard. Misconception. More items on the nightstand means you're prepared. Reality. Tall stacks break the horizon line, your eyes keep scanning, and your body stays slightly on guard. Tonight's 1-minute swap. Turn off overheads, lower the tallest object, and put the phone in a closed drawer or warm pouch. Tonight, give your body one clear safety signal. Turn off the overhead spill and let one low, warm shaded lamp do the talking. Add a tiny ember glow behind the headboard, so your eyes land on a soft color field, not a sharp hotspot. Lower the tallest items to rebuild a calm horizon line, and choose matte texture so reflections stop pinging your attention. Then put the phone in a closed drawer or warm pouch, so dopamine isn't getting invited to just one more check. If you only do one thing, dim and warm the light, because blue heavy screens at night can suppress melatonin and delay your internal night. Now breathe out a little longer than you breathe in, and notice what changes when the room stops asking your eyes to scan. You're not chasing perfect sleep. You're teaching your nervous system a repeatable pattern. Same time, same spot, same warm light. If the full reset feels like too much, just lower one tall stack and move the phone out of sight. Tomorrow night, do the same 2 steps again, and let consistency become your comfort. That's the goal. Warmth, softness, and a longer exhale, until your body starts believing bedtime is safe.